Remember the click clack, that feeling? Having a BlackBerry in your hand wasn't just using a phone, it was making a statement. Late night BBMs, that satisfying tactile QWERTY keyboard. In this sea of boring glass rectangles, it's a feeling we've missed. But stop everything, because the legend is back. And this time, it's bringing the heat. Say hello to the phone that blends the best of both worlds. Introducing the BlackBerry Passport 2 5G. This isn't just a phone, it's a statement, a revolution, and frankly, it looks gorgeous. Now, let's dive into the 4 killer features that make this a must-buy for both old-school fans and new users. Let's get into it. Features of the BlackBerry Passport 2 5G. Display and keyboard. First up, the essentials. We've got a gorgeous 4.62-inch LCD screen right above the legendary physical keyboard. Yes, the red notification LED is there too. But here's the upgrade. This screen is running at 120 Hz. Scrolling, swiping, gaming, it's going to be buttery smooth. The old BlackBerry was a workhorse, this one is a speed demon. Plus, now you can actually watch HD videos on it. What a time to be alive. Camera setup. Okay, confession time. The camera used to be BlackBerry's weakest link, right? Not anymore. Brace yourselves. This phone packs a mind-blowing 110 megapixel dual rear camera. This isn't just a number, it's a detailed photo factory. Low light performance. Fantastic. Video stabilization. Thanks to OIS, your footage will be rock solid. And for your selfies, a crystal clear 12 megapixel front camera. BlackBerry is finally competing with the giants. Performance and software. Performance check. Driving this beauty is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor. Heavy multitasking, mobile gaming, no sweat. This Passport 2 5G is ready for anything you throw at it. And the best part, the software. It's running on Android. No more app drought. All your must-have apps, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, they all run here, seamlessly, so you truly get the best of both worlds. That classic QWERTY, with modern app power. Battery backup. How long does the power last? It's rocking a massive 5000 mAh battery. We're talking up to 2 days of power on a single charge. And yes, thank goodness, it charges with a modern Type-C socket. Price and launch date. Okay, now the million-dollar question. What's the damage? The estimated price for the BlackBerry Passport 2 5G is around $500, with a potential launch in early 2026. Drop the price like it's a major value proposition.